Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X1 with its physical key. It's a crucial skill for those moments when your remote key battery dies or the car battery is flat. We'll walk through finding the hidden key blade, locating the discrete keyhole, and manually unlocking your vehicle. This method ensures you can always access your BMW X1, providing peace of mind in unexpected situations. First, let's find that hidden key blade. Your BMW X1 key fob has a small, often overlooked release button. Press this button firmly, and the metal key blade will slide out from the bottom of the fob. This small but mighty blade is your lifeline for manual entry, especially when electronic systems are unresponsive. Keep it safe and know its location for emergencies. Next, we need to locate the manual keyhole on your BMW X1. Look closely at the driver's side door handle. You'll notice a small, often color-matched, cover on the underside or side of the handle. Gently insert the tip of your key blade or a small flat tool into the designated slot and carefully pry off this cover. This action reveals the traditional keyhole, ready for manual operation. Now for the final step, unlocking the door. With the keyhole exposed, insert the metal key blade completely into the slot. Turn the key blade firmly, usually about 1/4 turn, either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on the lock mechanism. You should feel a distinct click as the lock disengages. The door is now unlocked, granting you access to your BMW X1 even without electronic assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.